Welcome to the 2018 Buick Encore for a deep dive into the technology features found inside this subcompact crossover. An IntelliLink system with an 8-inch touchscreen sets up shop in the center stack to take care of infotainment features. With a responsive touchscreen and main menu screens of large icons, it's intuitive to work through. This premium model is equipped with an optional navigation system that quickly calculates route guidances and features real-time traffic information. IntelliLink also features a 7-speaker Bose audio system, Bluetooth, and an always-handy OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Smartphone integration is also standard with Apple Carplay and Android Auto capabilities for those who prefer to control infotainment using their phones. To keep smart devices juiced up, there's 2 USB ports in the front and a regular plug on the back of the center console for rear passengers. The Encore's safety menu features forward collision alert that never gave any false alarms, blind spot monitoring, and rear camera with rear cross-traffic alert that are always nice things to have in parking lots. Sadly, things like automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control are not available, and that's a disappointment in this luxury-focused subcompact crossover. And that's a quick rundown of the technology features found inside this range-topping premium trim level of the Buick Encore.